So let's figure out how to write the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. The first thing that we're going to need to do is find the slope of the line going through these 2 points. And we can remember that the slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. To find the change, we're going to subtract one coordinate from the other. So for the y coordinates, let's just choose arbitrarily to do the first point first. So we can do -1 minus 1, and in the denominator, 3 minus 9. And that will simplify to, this becomes -2, and in the denominator, -6, which just becomes 1 over 3. Now at this point, we can decide how we're going to write our equation. The way I recommend we do it is using point-slope form. Point-slope form looks like this. In this equation, the m represents the slope. The x0 and the y0 represent the coordinates of any point, any single point that this line passes through. So when you have 2 points, like we have here, you could use this one, or you could use that one. So we actually have enough information now to write 2 separate equations. We could have y minus -1, for that in parentheses for now, is equal to 1/3 times x minus 3. And this is a little awkward. We wouldn't write it this way, so our final equation in this case would be y plus 1 is equal to 1/3 x minus 3. But we could also do this another way. We could write it as y minus 1, now using the second point, is equal to 1/3 times x minus 9. You can check and see that these are the same equation by graphing them. You can try substituting points in. There are lots of ways.